Welcome to Quick Learning. Today we are going to learn another exciting transaction of SAP, that is COOIS, which is used for Production Order Information System. We will start by writing COOIS in our transaction tab, and then we will press enter. In any plant or warehousing system, the production plans and the production orders are a key factor for any type of planning of production. These production orders enable us to have a complete visibility of the data of production plans and the production orders. So after writing the main transaction code in transaction tab, we have entered into a new screen that is visible in front of you. First of all, we will try to understand what are the options that are available in this large screen and how we can utilize it and how we can get our desired data from this transaction. So on the main page, you can see there is the layout. This is the standard layout that is selected. And in the order headers, there are a lot of options that are available which you can use as per your ease. Well, the first one is object overview, then documented goods movement. The other one is trigger points. The fourth one is production order resources, automatic goods movement, order headers, items, capacities, components, operations, purchase acquisitions, confirmation, sequence, and purchase orders. So you can see there is a major spectrum of the complete SAP planning module in which you can use any of these for your required plan orders or production orders. So going down, we have two main selections. The one is the production order and other is the plan order. What we want to get from this screen is based upon this selection. If we select production orders, then the only list of production orders will appear in front of you, and if we select plan orders will be appeared, and vice versa. So going down, the first one is the selection at header level. So the first item that we can write is the production order. It is such that if we have some production order or a list of production orders, we can just write them here and we will get the desired details of those production orders in our system. The other is the material. If we know the material code of some product, we will enter this material code and we will get the details of all the production orders and the plan orders. Other is the production plant. The next one is the planning plant, then the order type. Whatever data we have as an input, we will put our input accordingly in these tabs and we will get our desired output in the form of production orders and plan orders. The next is MRP controller, then it's production supervisor, sold to party, sales order, WBS element, priority, and etc. We will just take one example by writing our production plant, that is 3003, and we will press F8, execute, and now it will show us the data. So it is showing that against this production plant there is no data available in system. We will go down and again we will write 3003, and now we will press execute button and it will show that you have to select one more criteria for this selection. So in doing so, for that we can enter some other like storage location as well, that is 9956. So it is asking us to press execute, and when we are pressing the execute, it is saying that the all plan orders have been read for this transaction. So you can see that you can get your desired result accordingly. I will go back again to the main page for your understanding, for and our understanding. So okay, The next is the selection at component level. For example, if we have some components, like the components are those things that themselves made some product itself. They're like the raw materials, these are the components, and etc. We can enter the plant, the storage location, and the required date. For example, we enter 3003 and we enter date as of 15th January. I will press execute, and now it will show me that what plan orders are available in system. So you can see here these plan orders are available in system for these material codes. This is the target quantity of these plan orders, and this is the start date, and this is the material description for which these plan orders are created. So you can see, just by just entering the plant and the date, we are able to get the details of the plan orders and the production orders for our required data. Similarly, instead of doing that, we can just enter the start date and the finish dates, and we will get our required data. Similarly, going down for the basic finish date tab, we can just enter the start finish date and the ending finish date, or a range of dates for which we will be able to get our required results. Similarly, for scheduling or the planned productions, we can enter the range of dates and so on. So you have seen that we can get the required details as per our ease by just entering some data. So now we will go for another example. I have some material code available, and I will see what production orders are available for that material code. I have just entered the material code. I will press execute, and let's see what it gives to us. So it is showing me that for this particular material code, that was 104300, all of these plan orders are available in system. So another interesting thing is that I haven't entered a specific plant for that. So what it has done, it is showing me the data of all the plants for this particular material code. For example, for 3002, you can see these 4 plan orders are available in system, and the dates are as follows. For 3003 plant, these plan orders and production orders, these ones are available. For 3003, these are the quantities and these are the dates. Similarly, going down for 3004 plant, you can see these production orders are available in system, and so on and so forth. We have 3005, 3006, and 3007. So you can see I have just entered a one particular material code, and it is showing me all the production orders and the plan orders for that particular material code uh, on my screen, and it is for all the plants. So just let's try another thing. I have selected capacities from my header, and then I will press execute, and now I will see. So against this material code, there is no capacity defined as such for this one. Let's again try. For 3003, it is saying the same thing. Let me try by entering it in planning plant as well. So let's see that in our system whether this is built up or not. So this is the work center, that is PRD06. For example, I will press execute, and it's showing me that no data is available for this selection. So you can see that in this current system on which I am working in, we have no data of capacity is built up on our system. So guys, you have seen that this command COOIS is used for production order information. For all the details of the production orders and the plan orders for the particular material codes, or some list of material codes, we have this available in this single transaction. It is a very useful transaction. You can have any input in any of these forms which are mentioned here, and you will get your desired data in the form of production orders and plan orders with all the details of quantities, date, start time, end time, plant, storage location, etc. So I hope that this session would have been very useful for all of you. So for any question or any suggestions, you can just write in the comments tab. For now, it's over from my side. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.